we go. Yeah.
All right. So hey everyone. We have to open the. I have to chuck this down.
Okay, do it. I already did. And so it begins.
And so it begins. All right. So welcome to to Wine and Craft. So if you haven't watched the show before, it's very simple. We drink a bottle of wine, which
that I can do.
she can do that really well, which is very inexpensive. Is about in the price range of $10. So tonight we are featured the Fantini. I featured the red wine before, which it won whole bunch of international award, and this one is a white. So I said, well, give it a try. And besides the Chardonnay, so from Italy, and this one is $8.80.
That's it?
Yeah, like all the one we feature.
That's pretty good.
All the one we feature on the show is usually around $10.
Yeah, well.
So the whole idea is, it's just wine is just grape juice. So a lot of people kind of make a big deal of them, and we just go through the basic tasting of whatever you want to try to figure it out. And if you it's summer here in Toronto, Canada. To chill the wine, I put it in water and then ice. So I also have flower from my garden. I don't know if you can see. So I put them in the ice cube.
It's pretty.
So it's kind of cute and pretty. And I keep the wine chill as well. And we should actually open this.
Man after my own heart. Let's do this.
All right.
Okay.
So tonight we are gonna upcycle
These.
a pair of old shoes that I found on the sidewalk.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Literally. Oh, it's too much water.
And they fit you.
And they actually fit me and fit you as well.
Yes, now we can exchange shoes.
Yeah. Before we do anything, so there are basic taste tests if you you want to get to know the wine or you want to start drinking whatever. It's very simple. The first thing is you want to have a smell test. The reason for the smell test is actually to make sure the wine it doesn't go bad.
Skunky. I say skunky.
Yeah. So the second thing is you want to see the aroma of the wine and all that stuff.
It
So
smells
what
nice.
do you smell?
I don't know, it smells floral-y. Is that a word? Floral? Floral.
Floral, yeah, and I smell a little bit citrusy as well.
Yes, I do that. I smell that. We had a little bit beforehand.
Yes. All right. So
Okay.
and let's have a taste.
Okay. It's nice. It's light.
I actually like it.
It's nice. It's better than that other one, which was more expensive. I have to say.
We have a bottle before. Sorry.
Not a bottle. Not a bottle. No, but you know what? This is nice. Actually, I do like it better.
Yeah, it's citrusy. It's a nice floral scent afterward.
It is a bit
It's
of,
fresh.
Slightly minerally.
Yes. Do you take any tannin in here? It's hard to take tannin in the
white?
the white.
No,
Yeah.
I don't. What do I know?
All right. So
What's down here?
you want to go get the blazer on the mannequin?
Yes, I would
Yeah.
love to do that.
So last show we did we created some bead with the blazer, and basically this is what it was. Okay.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So it basically took glue gun, and then we just put bead on them. So if you're from the dollar store, these are dollar store fine.
You can throw that there. Okay.
Yeah. So these are dollar store fine. So the whole idea about the show is basically you want to reuse the stuff to help the environment and reimagine the stuff in your house, right? So I bought 2 of these. I think maybe 1 or 2 is enough, but anyway, we'll see. And we're gonna do similar treatment on this thing as well. Oh, I also want to do the gather here.
Oh, so do I need to do something?
Yeah, so we can do that in a second.
Okay.
So So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually how to actually treat your leather footwear. So you want to keep the leather is pretty much like your skin, right? So your skin get dry, so you want to moisturize it. So ideally, if you have a good pair of shoes, you want to moisturize this once as often as possible. Ideally, it every 3 to 6 months.
What is this?
This is a light cream. It's a leather lotion. You can actually use this, or you can use Vaseline.
Ah.
So Vaseline. Cheers!
I don't know where that came from.
Let's finish up this one, so you at least see what happened with the finished product.
The finished product should go on your foot, actually.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Glue.
Yeah. Wait. Hang on. Let's check.
Yeah.
Make sure we have glitter everywhere right now. Because we actually
Waste
need all
not.
this. We actually need it.
Should we pour this stuff in there?
Wait.
Is this the same?
It might not be.
Okay.
I'm not sure. It's a different
Okay.
bottle. So.
That's glue. We don't want that in there. And we don't want the ribbon in there.
And
This is fun.
you think it's the same thing?
I don't know.
What the hell?
Okay, we don't care.
No.
It's a different color. It's not as shiny.
Is this more shiny? You
No,
think?
it's dull. Who cares? Too late.
Well, it's mixing it right
Yeah,
now.
it's too late.
Yeah.
You were still gonna fast forward this when you like edit it.
No.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay,
so
let's do this.
let's do the front first.
Where am I gluing?
Anywhere.
Like this?
Everywhere. Like you need like a lot. There you go. There you go. Awesome. There you go. Ready?
Nope.
And just no. We need a little more.
More.
here.
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
Glue.
Go.
Bead.
Pat it down. Pat
Oh,
it down.
okay, I thought it was your turn. Oh, so pretty. You don't even have to do any more. That's enough.
No, we're gonna do.
But you don't have to, but you could. You could do random.
Wait.
Oh my god.
So let's do the size.
Okay, so I'm gonna go like this.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Hold on.
Sorry, so I swore. Sorry.
She's been squirting for a while.
Wait, we need more glue stick action. This is a really good glue gun. Oh my god, everything is just so. Oh. Why did you invite me? I
we
know.
need to go
I
up
know.
here. We need
I
to-
know.
Put the glue gun in.
Okay, no.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, that's
If
good
you're
enough.
by yourself, you could do it on your own.
Hang on.
What?
Glue gun. Give me glue gun. Glue gun.
No, glue stick. Glue stick.
There you go. Wait, don't push in.
I have to. That's the job. That's my job. What's that? Okay. Whoa. It's so glittery.
Okay, ready?
Nope. Yes.
Go for it, baby. Go for it.
Okay, go. Oh my god, this is the best part. This is the best part of this whole game.
Okay, pat it down.
Pat,
pat
pat,
it
pat,
down.
pat, 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 pat. Oh my god.
And what's good about the glue gun is you can move it to wherever you want.
Yes, it's true. While it's warm.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Absolutely.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks really nice.
Designer.
Hello. I'm not just a pretty face. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, we missed that spot. I'm gonna put this back in here. Redo.
So, you see this? How amazing this is.
It's totally amazing.